let's talk about plugins. Now, to add a plugin, come here, add new. Before we add a plugin, let me talk about, let me say a few words. Now, plugins are like the mobile applications on your phone. Take a look at your phone. Without the apps on your phone will still be usable, of course. You make a few phone calls, you do a few things, but those applications on your phone, they make your phone really more useful. They extend the functionality of your phone. They make your phone more than a phone. They turn your phone into a TV, a chatting device, and a lot of other things. Now, that is how plugins are to WordPress. As a result of WordPress plugins, you can turn your site into anything you want, anything you can imagine, almost anything you can think of. There's a plugin out there doing that thing. Let's say you need a plugin for a school management system or a plugin to manage the database of your employees. You'll find thousands and hundreds and dozens of plugins built to do that. And the good thing is, all of them are very intuitive to use. The idea of WordPress is, simplicity and then non-geeky. So you don't need to be tech savvy, code crazy before you know how to use those things. So you install a plugin in the same way you install a theme. So you just come to the search box and then you type the search term related to the functionality you want the plugin to do. Let's say you want a plugin about let's say accounting, for example. You type accounting and then you see all the plugins related to this term. And in a case where you know exactly the plugin you want to install, you just type the name of that plugin and it will come up. Can you see? WP ERP, you see CBX accounting and bookkeeping. Can you see? So it gives you all the list of the things related to what you type. So we want to install a simple plugin called WP Forms. Now this plugin allows users to contact us. It allows us to create simple contact forms in which users can fill to contact us. When they fill that form and then send it, what they fill in that form is going to appear in our email. It's going to come to our email inbox and then we'll pick up the conversation from there. Now, I'll give you a few tips on installing a WordPress plugin. Whenever you want to install a plugin, the first thing I want you to do is to look at the star rating of that plugin. It will give you an idea of how good that plugin is, and then what people are saying about it, people who are using it presently. And then the next thing I want you to look at is the number of times, the number of active installations that plugin has. For example, this has over 3 million active installations. That is incredible. Now it shows you, now the higher the number, the better the plugin is. People won't be using it for nothing, of course. Now the third thing I want you to look at is how compatible that plugin is, because some plugins won't be compatible with the current version of WordPress on your website. So WordPress is going to tell you that, oh, this plugin has not been tested with the current version of WordPress and things like that. So when you see something like that, it might not be a good idea to install it. The third thing, of course, you shouldn't be told about it is this, the description of the plugin. So you have to read the description or click the more details button so you'll be sure that your expectations are right and then you're installing the exact plugin you want to work with. So, and then you want to be sure it has all the features, of course, you need in a form. So the first thing we want to do is install it. So click the install now button. And again, one thing I forgot to mention during the theme installation is you can come here and then upload it, because some plugins and themes are not available in the WordPress directory. They'll just give you from their own website. I'm talking about the people who create these themes and plugins. So in a situation like that, you just download the theme and then you come here, choose file and upload it. So this guy is done installing. Let's activate it straight away and see how to use it. Beautiful, beautiful. Depends on the plugin you install. Some of them will give you a welcome page like this, giving you instructions on how to use it. For example, this one has a video. If you click it, it will show you, of course, the video or how to create your form, like a documentation, like a guide, and things like that. All this information. Some wouldn't show you. It's all normal. It depends on what the theme creator, sorry, the plugin creator does. So this lesson is becoming too long, so I will skip to the next video, and then in that lesson I will show you how you can use this very plugin.